Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make your profile picture on Google Chrome visible to anyone. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on the search bar and type in account, account.google.com, and then hit search. This interface will appear, and now we're going to tap on the profile picture at the top right corner, and after that we're going to tap on the pencil icon right under the profile picture. This interface will appear, and as you see here, we got visible to anyone, so we're going to tap on this option. And here it says choose who can see your profile picture. Here, if you want to make your profile picture visible to everyone, then you can choose this option. So if you want to make it public, you can choose the first option. But if you want to just make it visible to specific people, then you can choose the second option, people you interact with. So here I'm just going to choose the first option to make my profile picture public, and then hit save at the bottom right corner. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!